Hi everyone, I'm Joe Mitra. I thought I knew a lot already, but this thing today made me learn so much more, and I'm not going to business in China unless I bring my new friends with me. Whether virtually or actually with me in China. But I want to complain about how much these seminars cost. It's too cheap for what you learn from it. These are not sound bites, these are real things. I have been in business, in different business in a long time, and I'm so happy to be here. I feel it's by faith I'm here. And what would even be better is if you ask me how I am 5 months or 3 months from now, to tell you if what I learned from here actually helped or not. Thank you.